And stop saying like, oh, nuts and nuts and nuts. You guys act like mothers don't have their mistakes too. Like, where was the respect when she was telling me to end my life? Where was the respect when she was telling me that, oh, life would be easier if you just ended it? Where was that respect before?
Daisy.
ያለችው ሶሪ ይቅርታ እየተመለስኩ ነው። ያለችው ምንድን ነው? ኢዝ ኦኬ ኦኬ። ያለችው ምንድን ነው? እኔ ሄጄ ወጥቼ ሄድኩት በእናቴና በእሷ ችግር ስላለብን አቢዩዝ ስላደረገችኝ ስለ ሜንታሊ ወይ ምናምን አቢዩዝ ስላደረገችኝ ነው ወጥቼ ሄድኩት እንጂ ለአሌክስ ብዬ አይደለም የወጣሁት። እና አስሬ እናት 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 ትላላችሁ እንጂ እናት ማለት ምን ዋጋ አለው? እንደ እናት እንትን ካላደረገቻት ማለት ነው፣ ትሪት ካላደረገቻት። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ራስሽን ሂደሽ ግደይ ስትለኝ ጊዜ ነበረው። አንቺ ብትሞቺ ጥሩ ነበረ እያለች ትለኝ ነበረ። እና ምን አይነት እናት ናት የምትለው? ያው እኔ እናቷን ጀጅ ማድረግ አልፈልግም፣ ያለችውን ነው የምተረጉመው ያለሁት። ጋይስ
አንዴ ዴዚ don't cry, okay? Don't get emotional. Like, don't get.
No, it's not funny because everyone's saying up here like Daisy, no, because they've never lived through my abuse, and everyone's just sitting up here just telling me that I'm fake crying.
These people are ignorant. Listen, they're ignorant. Don't get upset. I told you earlier.
Copy and Daisy atalkishi እና ላውጋው አለ እዚህ የእናቷ ደጋፊ ቢሆንም ችግር የለም ያስተርጉምላችሁ። ዮኒ ማኛ እዚህ ለጆን ዳንኤል እንኳን አልጠቀመው እንዳትወርድ ከፕሌን ብሎ ውኒ ቤት ነው የወረወረው። እና አትስሚ ዴዚ አታልቅሽ።
ዜዶ የማታውቂውን የኔ እናቷ ደጋፊ አይደለሁም። ስለዚህ
ያኔ ጋር ነበር አስተርጉምላቸው ለማለት ነው። አንተ ማስተርጉምላቸው
ችግር የለውም። ዴዚ two things, right? One, stop crying. Like, you're gonna get a headache. Yeah, you're gonna get a headache. Stop crying. Second, don't be emotional. Like I said, some people understand you, some people won't understand you. So nobody, like, you just have to live with it, okay? I want. So you have to understand is that some people say that you left the house because of the boy, is because that's what, like, it seems like it. Because we know you for the past almost 2 years on TikTok, right? And you haven't mentioned that you've been
okay,
abused.
just because I haven't mentioned the abuse means I didn't go through it.
Trust me.
Just because
sorry, you're not
you get like
you care about the girl. You don't care. You're just sitting here in a mix up as well.
Trust me.
No, you don't. Clearly from the talk.
For a fucking 5 seconds. Like,
no, because you're pissing me off. You're pissing me off. You're just coming here. You're acting like you support. You don't support her. Daisy, I'm telling you. This guy, yeah, it's my business. Because she's telling me about her mental health, and you're sitting here acting